Hi everyone, I'm excited to introduce Quality Matters Bridge to Quality, a QM online course design guide. This is a guide that we developed in response to feedback from you, the QM community. Following the unprecedented shift to remote instruction, many of you used QM's Emergency Remote Instruction Checklist, or ERIC. And while ERIC served an important short-term need, now we need a bridge that takes us from emergency remote instruction to quality online and blended learning, even as you might be facing uncertainty for what modality you'll be teaching in this fall. That's where the Bridge to Quality comes in. Just like ERIC, the Bridge to Quality provides a phased approach, this time to help you engage with course design as a thoughtful, student-focused process that is central to creating a quality course. Once you download the guide, you'll see explanations for the icons used. Each design step to help you bridge towards quality will have the bridge symbol, for example, while elements of foundational alignment will show this icon. There are also special callouts for synchronous or hybrid considerations, and, where applicable, we begin with the relevant ERIC item to help you build on your remote teaching efforts and successes. The design bridge is organized into 3 phases, as first you'll work on aligning foundational elements, then you'll focus on elevating presence, interaction, and engagement, and finally, you'll put the pieces together and make connections for your students. Each phase has multiple sections, and you'll find the specific design steps within those sections. Simply click on the design step to reveal an actionable item that then connects with a specific review standard from the Quality Matters Higher Education Rubric 6th edition. Finally, at the bottom of each section, you'll also find quick links to relevant professional development if you're interested in learning more about the ideas and topics outlined in that section. QM members will be invited to a more enhanced version of this document in the near future, so keep your eyes out. Additionally, QM members will receive a special discount from our friends at CourseTune, where you can access an interactive alignment map to help you with your design work. Your QMC, or Quality Matters Coordinator, will soon be receiving that information and will pass it on to you. Here at QM, we hope this bridge to quality will be helpful as you prepare to help your students succeed in whatever type of environment the future might bring.